Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm back. For this video, I have an article and I will to read it later and translate it into Indonesian. And then there are several questions and I have to answer. Okay, let's get started. Gets Bridge, new Merriweather Mall is opening this September with an area of 300 to 20,000, 300 to 1,300 to 20,000 square meters. The Merriweather Mall will be the biggest mall in the southwest. It's located close to Motorway. Has its own bus station and 2,000 car parking spaces, so it is quite convenient for everyone. The mall has 5 areas, all undercover. The large main street is a shopping area on 3 floors. Here you will find all the major chain stores and department stores. You can buy fashion items and all the famous brand names. There is also the large chemist, situated on 2 levels. The market square is where you can find traditional market stalls. On the lower floor, there are food stalls, including a butchers, bakers, fishmongers, greengrocers, and delicatessen. On the upper floor, you will find stalls selling hardware and haberdashery. Bohemia is at the rear of the mall. Here, you'll find Quirky, independent shops selling everything from second-hand music and books to clothes and handicraft. The Palisade is more upmarket. Here, you will find a fashion boutique, jewelers, antique, and furniture. There are also 2 banks and a post office located along the Palisade. The showground is the entertainment center of the mall. On the ground floor, there is a food court where you'll find cuisine from around the world, including Chinese, Japanese, Thai, and Italian food. There is a large area. Their event will take place through the year. There is also a night screen cinema, a nightclub, and a bowling alley. And if that is not enough, we are offering you a voucher which will give you 10 pounds of any purchase over 4 pounds that you make in the Merriweather Mall between 10th and 16th September. You can afford to miss it. Okay. Next, translate. Okay. Gates Bridge New Merriweather Mall is opening this December. Jadi di Gates Bridge itu ada mall baru nih yang bakal buka di September ini. Namanya Merriweather Mall. Nah, with an area of 320,000 square meters. Jadi areanya itu luasnya 320.000 meter persegi. The Merriweather Mall will be the biggest mall in the Southwest. Jadi si Merriweather ini bakalan jadi mall yang terbesar di di Barat Daya. It's located close to the motorway, has its own bus station and 2,000 car parking spaces. Nah, lokasinya itu dekat sama jalan raya. Terus si Merriweather Mall ini punya stasiun bus sendiri dan punya area parkir untuk 2.000 parkiran mobil. It is convenient for everyone yang membuat nyaman orang-orang gitu. The mall has 5 areas all under cover. Nah, si mall ini punya 5 area yang semuanya itu ada tertutup gitu. Nah, the large main street yang paling besar itu namanya Main Street. Nah, Main Street itu is the large main street is a shopping area on 3 floors. Si Main Street ini adalah area shopping yang punya 3 lantai. Here, you'll find all the major chain stores and department store. Di sini kamu akan menemukan semua toko-toko yang besar gitu dan toko serba ada tapi yang kayak kelas atas gitu yang ada mereknya. You can buy fashion items and all the famous brand names. There is also a large chemist. Kamu bisa beli fashion barang-barang yang semuanya itu barang-barang yang merek terkenal dan di sana juga ada ahli kimia yang besar tuh di situ. Di mana tuh namanya? Di tempat yang terbesar yaitu di Main Street. Situated on 2 levels. Tempat yang kedua, the market square is where you can find traditional market stalls. Yang kedua itu tadi namanya market square, alun-alun pasar gitu. Market square ini kamu bisa menemukan ruko-ruko pasar tradisional. Nah, on the lower floor there are food stalls. Yang lantai paling dasarnya itu ada ruko-ruko makanan. Nah, including a butchers, bakers, fishmongers, greengrocers, and delicatessen. Yang termasuk kayak tukang daging, tukang roti, penjual ikan, terus ada tukang sayur, terus ada toko makanan juga. Nah, next. On the upper floor, you will find stalls selling hardware and haberdashery. Nah, di yang paling atas itu, lantai paling atas, kamu akan menemukan toko yang jual hardware kayak barang-barang gitu. Barang-barang kayak rumah tangga kayak gitu-gitu deh. And Havertry itu toko kelontong. Bohemia is at the rear of the mall. Bohemia itu di belakang mall areanya. Here you'll find quirky. Kamu bisa menemukan di sini tuh kamu di Bohemia kamu bisa menemukan toko barang-barang antik, barang-barang unik. Independent shop selling everything from second hand music and books to clothes and handicraft. Tadi di sini kamu bisa menemukan toko barang-barang unik yang ini tuh tokonya independen. Toko independen yang menjual segala sesuatu dari yang apa sih namanya itu musik bekas gitu dan ada buku-buku terus ada clothes, ada pakaian and handicraft, ada kerajinan. Oke, next. The Palisade is more upmarket. Ada namanya Palisade. Tempat Palisade ini tempat yang kayak udah sih namanya yang kayak berkelas gitu. Here you will find fashion boutique, jewelers, antique, and furniture. Di sini kamu bisa menemukan butik fashion gitu. Terus jewelers, apa tuh namanya? Perhiasan. Terus habis itu barang antik dan barang kayak apa sih furniture kayak apa sih? Bangku, tempat tidur dan sebagainya namanya furniture ya. There are also two banks and a post office located along the Palisade. Jadi di sana juga ada 2 bank dan satu toko satu apa namanya? Apa yang buat kirim paket? Nah, buat kirim paket si kantor pos, post office, kantor pos. Yang lokasinya itu sepanjang tempat yang namanya Palisade. Nah, the showground is the entertainment center of the mall. Nah, showground ini tempat yang sebagai apa sih itu namanya? Pusat hiburan yang ada di mall apa namanya? Merryweather. Nah, off the ground floor, di lantai dasarnya tuh, there is a food cart. There you'll find cuisine from around the world, including Chinese, Japanese, Thai, and Italian food. Nah, di lantai dasarnya itu ada food cart, ada tempat makan gitu. Nah, di sana itu kamu bisa menemukan masakan dari seluruh dunia, termasuk Cina, Jepang, Thailand, dan makanan Italian. There is a large area there. Events will take place through the year. Terus di sana tuh ada arena yang besar gitu. Di sana tuh akan apa sih namanya? Biasanya tuh akan jadi tempat kalau ada event-event sepanjang tahun. Dia tempatnya di showground ini, yang tempatnya agak besar, yang besar. There is also an egg screen cinema. Di sana juga ada apa sih bioskop gitu yang punya egg screen layar 8. A night club and bowling alley. Jadi ada klub yang semalam gitu dan ada tempat main bowling. And if that is not enough, dan kalau itu gak cukup, here, listen. We are offering you a voucher which will give you 10 pound off any purchase over 4 pound. There you making the Merryweather Mall between 10th and 16th September. Kami menawarkan kamu voucher yang mana akan diberikan ke kamu sebesar 10 pound, diskon 10 pound setiap pembelian lebih dari 40 pound yang kamu buat di Merryweather Mall antara 10 sampai 16 September. You can afford to miss it. Kamu jangan lewatkan. Jangan sampai kelewatan nih pembukaan Merryweather Mall. Next question. Number 1. Where is the best place in the mall to buy an expensive necklace? Necklace is di mana tempat terbaik untuk di mall untuk beli necklace kalung terbaik. Where? Ya itu in mana ya? Iya itu there is wait. I need maker. Apa? What? Expensive necklace is jewelers. The Palisade. The Palisade, we can buy an expensive necklace because in the Palisade, we will find jewelers. Where is the best place in the mall to buy some bacon? There is the showground because in the showground we can find cuisine from around the world, including Chinese, Japanese, Thai, and Italian food. Maybe that's Chinese food. Where is the best place in the mall to buy some Nike trainers? Nike, the famous brand names. So we can find to Main Street because Main Street we can find fashion item and all the famous brand names. Okay, next question. Number 4. Where is the best place in the mall to buy a used CD? We can find used CD bekas. Nah, we can find to Bohemia. In Bohemia, we will find Second-hand music. Where is the best place in the mall to buy have a meal? You can have a meal. You can find to Market Square because that's you can find bakers or delicatessen, and you can find too also in Showground because there is a food court. Food court. Mm-mm. Next question. But there is the best place in the mall to buy an expensive or old cupboard. Expensive and old cupboard. We can find we can find in the Palisade because in Palisade we can find antique and furniture. Next question. Number 7. Where is the best place in the mall to see a villain? We can we can we can go to Showground because in Showground we can find Egg Screen Cinema. Next, number 8. Where is the best place in the mall to buy some backup? There there is there is Showground because Showground there is a food court and we will find cuisine from around the world including Chinese, Japanese, Thai, and Bakan maybe is cuisine Chinese or Japanese or Thai. Next, number 9. There is the best place in the mall to buy some shampoo. We can find we can find in shampoo in Market Square, and we can find in haberdashery. We can go to haberdashery for buy shampoo. Next, last question. Number 10. Where is the best place in the mall to buy to mail a parcel? We can go to Palisade because there is a post office. Yeah, there is a post office in the Palisade. Okay, 10 question I have to answer. Thank you for watching. Thank you, and see you the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.